Your host Sayyid Irfan Ajmal, and in this episode of the SIA Business Podcast, I'll be going through link type 3. So, the third type of link bucket, according to which we review and classify backlinks. So if you have not watched the previous two parts of this video, I am including the links to those two episodes in the description of this video or this audio podcast. And you should, I suggest that you go through those first, because they will explain what's going on here. We have already gone through link type 1 and link type 2, and now we are going through link type 3. Okay, so in link type 3 we analyze whether a link is original, duplicate, republished, or a scraper backlink. Okay, so let me go through these one by one. So original backlink is when it's original content and they have not sort of they have the article itself is not sort of copy pasted from somewhere else. Okay, in some cases some publications may have some kind of agreements with other websites, which I will explain just in a second when I talk about republished links. Or in some cases some bad actors might just without any permission, without any kind of content syndication agreement, they will just go ahead and copy someone else's content. And so if the content that they are copying, if it includes a link to your website, then when this other guy republishes that original article on their site, then you see a backlink again. Okay, if it doesn't make sense so far, stay with me, because when I explain what duplicate, republish, and scraper are with examples, this will totally make sense. Okay, now in case of this article, it's not published anywhere else. Clutch.co is the actual original site which granted us this backlink. So hence this is an original backlink, and most of your backlinks will be original backlinks, unless you are an SEO outreach agency like ourselves and you are doing backlinking at scale, right? So I mean, obviously we try to keep track of things, these things, so that we can charge our clients accordingly and all that. Now, what is a duplicate backlink? So duplicate backlink is, let's say your website is abc.com, and you have already earned a backlink from forbes.com. Okay, and I'm talking about a do follow contextual backlink. Now, if you end up earning another backlink from forbes.com, then that's not really useful for you in terms of SEO, right? So in that case, we term that backlink as a duplicate backlink. Okay, so we try to discourage our team from duplicate backlinks, obviously. So now let's go to the third type of backlinks, which is republished backlinks. So in some cases, if I take this example, which by the way includes a backlink of one of our clients, but I will not mention who the client is. But within this article, they what Bankrate does is that they use Harrow often, and they will often, when they are finished publishing an article, it gets republished. The very same article gets republished by MSN as well. And from what I can see, it's because they have a content syndication in place. Have I seen that agreement or contract? No. Have they told me about it? No. But I mean, just look at them. Bankrate is a totally legit, decent, high quality website. MSN, everyone knows about MSN. So in such a case, we term such backlinks as republished backlinks. Okay, now on to the last type, which is the scraper backlink. So sometimes a site, like if you look at this site, Browsify app, they have a low DR, a lot of the images are not working, and we know of this article because it was published at another website previously. So we just know that they have basically copy pasted the article, maybe through some software. So that's why we call it a scraper backlink. Okay, here is another example of scraper backlinks. So some sites like which are keeping track of statistics and whatnot of different sites, they are using these. But that's it for now. Thank you so much. Bye.